Viewers, and welcome back for final maths class. Today we are going to look at percentages, okay? And we have these two questions that we are going to use to explain what percentage is. All right. Now the first question is saying that we should express 2/5 as a percentage. Now when you are asked to express something in a percentage, we know percentage is always over 100, okay? So when you see any number which is attached with a percentage symbol, maybe 2%, all you need to do to express this as a percentage or as a number, to express this as in its original form would be what? 2/100. So any number which is going to be expressed in the percentage form means you have to multiply that particular number by 100, okay? So in this case we have this express 2/5 as a percentage. So here that 2/5 that you need to pick, and then you multiply it by 100, okay? So now when you do this, we have 5 going here, 5 will go here how many times? 20 times. So 2 times 20, you have 40. And then since we multiply by 100, you attach the percentage with it. Let me give more examples. So if you have maybe 3/10 as a percentage, you multiply that one to what? By 100, okay? So 10 will go here, 10 will go here 10 times, okay? So 3 times 10, we have what? 30%, okay? So if you have any number which you are asked to express that number in a percentage, all you need to do is to what? Multiply that particular value with 100, okay? So the value that you have, you attach this symbol to show that you are working in percentage. Now we have this problem on the board, which is that you received a grade of 75% on a test of 60 questions, okay? So you were given a question which contains 60 questions. You wrote a test which contains 60 questions, okay? And then your grade which was given after the test was what? 75%. Now it is asking us to find how many questions you solved or you answered correctly, okay? So the test contains 60 questions, and then the grade that you obtain after writing the test is what? 75%. Now how many questions did you solve correctly? Okay, so just like we did here, we have 70%. Now all we need to calculate here, or what it is looking for, is what? 75% of 60 questions, okay? So 75% of 60, if you understand it in this way, so the solution of this question will be what? It's very simple, or the solving of this particular question will be very simple to you. So now it is asking us to find solution. Now it is asking us to find what? The 75% of 60. Okay, that is what the whole of this question is required, is asking us to do, okay? So 75% of 60. Now let's see, 75% of 60. This of that I have brought, it has a meaning, a special meaning in mathematics. When you see 75% of, when you see of, it means what? Multiplication. So in other words, it is 75% times 60. Okay, so expressing this 75%, I made a certain analogy here. If you have any number which percentage is attached to it, means what? That number over what? Over 100. So 75% of this one will give us what? 75 over 100 times 60. Okay, so this is what it means. So 75 over 100. So now we have 5 will go into 75, no, into 7, it will go into 7 1 times, remainder 2, then you add this 5 to 8, 5 will go into 25, how many times? 5 times. So here we have 15. 5 will go into 100, how many times? 20 times, okay? Now we have 15 over 20 here, so 15 over 20 times 60, okay? Now when we use 20 will go here 1, 20 will go here what? 3 times, okay? So now we have 3 by what? 15. Now 3 by 15 will be giving us what? So 3 by 5 we have 3 by 5 we have 15, so 5 remainder 1. 3 by 1 we have 1 plus 1, we have 4. So it means what? 45 questions was solved correctly. So 45 questions was solved correctly. So now after solving it, we realize that 45 questions out of the 60 questions was solved what? Correctly, okay? And that was equivalent to what? The grade 75%, all right? And this will bring us to the end of the percentages, and then watch out for my next videos where we will be solving more questions on the percentages and other things, all right? So if you are new to this page, kindly subscribe to the page, share and then like, and then don't forget to turn the notification button on so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified for you to visit the page and watch the video. Have a nice day.